Will it give us this push? Oh, that's lovely. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. We just got a new low out of that. Just a lovely new low. Look, just a touch. Do you see that? Just a little touch. We're in. Hopefully it will keep that descent. It will keep pushing down. Right, we've taken a signal and it's straight away gone the other way. We've taken a sell and it's just reversed on us immediately. We came in this candle here and it's completely, I won't say engulfed, but there's a candle which is about the same size going the opposite direction. So off the bat, it doesn't look good at all. Our soft stop is just above here. That's where we're looking to put our stop. That's where our stop is. This one up here is a hard stop, just in case we get some massive spikes and stuff. But the way it shot up like that wasn't really nice. I didn't like that because it should at least come straight or just hover around this area here. So at the moment, you can see it's just, there's a moving average right there. It's on the borderline of that moving average. We need it to come somewhere around this area here, this candle. We want it to close below these moving averages that we have. Otherwise, it's just not going to look as if it's going to do anything for us. But this is the risk you take. So at the moment, this is a one-to-one trade. We're looking to get some area around this area here. We're looking to get some profits around this area. This is our first point that we're looking for. Oh, the way it's moving at the moment seems okay, but I'll only be happier when we see a new low. If we see a new low here, if we see a new low form here, then I would say we're still on the right track. We need to get a new low. So the reason for me getting into this trade is because I believe the whole situation here demands a new low. So I believe that where we've put our TP is where the market should go. The price should go down there to form a new low. And I think it should even go a bit further than that. If we look at the hourly chart, you can see there's 3 areas where there could be stops. One is where we've put our stop, our hard stop, which is there. 2, where we've put our take profit, which is around this area here. 3 is down here. This is a good amount of money right in this area here. Very nice amount of money. If we can push the market down there, if we can get down there, that's fantastic. And there's another area here. So there's 4 areas where the price can go depending on what happens. And as it stands at the moment, is a 50-50 chance it can go up or down. But because we've got a signal, the 1 minute chart is doing us justice. It's going in our favor at the moment. Hopefully this bullish candle is just an anomaly. This one here is just an anomaly. It's just going to come and drive the price down to here and we get the profits that we want. But you can never tell with this market. 84% spent on a candle. If we get another dark red candle, that should be a better indication for us. But like I said, I do want it to form another low. I need it to get lower than this price here. I want it to go lower to give us a bit more confidence in this trade. Like I said, I didn't like the way it pushed up straight away, but it does happen. It didn't reach our mental stop, which is a good thing, and it doesn't look like it's going to close above the moving averages. 97% spent on the candle. It looks like we're going to get another signal, another sell signal, which is good. Great, but it hasn't stopped. Like I said, it did not give us that new low we were looking for. It didn't give us the new low. Maybe this candle here will give us the new low. It's close. It's pulled back on that. It's pulled back on it to give us a bit more confidence in this market. Just need it to come just below this area here. threatening. Will it give us this push? Oh, that's lovely. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. We just got a new low out of that. Just a lovely new low. Look, just a touch. Do you see that? Just a little touch. We're in. Hopefully it will keep that descent. It will keep pushing down. Yes, this is what we like to see. We're in positive territory at the moment. That's nice. Don't pull back now. It's what we want to see. 90% spent on the candle. That's lovely. Now look at this. This is beautiful. The candle should stop here and the next candle should start and follow that descent. We need this. That's lovely. Look at that. So we've got the new low that we were after. We're in positive territory. And hopefully the belief that we have that it's gunning for this low here is what's going to occur. Maybe in any minute now. Let's see. We don't know. But it's doing well. Right. This is lovely. Lovely. I'm getting ready to jump out of this market any moment now. Because like I said many times, we only go for a region. Yes, this is the TP. That's the hard TP. But our region's around here. I didn't draw it in, but our region's around this area. So if we can get a decent region out of it, I'm fine. It's a little bit more, and I'll be happy with that. Do not need it to jump to touch my hard TP. This is lovely. I can come out here. The way it's going, it might have some fuel in it, some energy. I know he's gunning for that low. I know he's gunning for that low. We're out. We're out. I know, look, he's going to start going crazy again and take some more, but we're out. We know he's gunning for that low. If it goes into this area, I'm happy. I don't do specific numbers. I don't do specific numbers because if I do, sometimes it just doesn't work. It gets right to it can get right to that TP and then just reverse. I've seen it happen too many times. So I just deal with regions. If it gets into this region, any ballpark, I'm happy. Just imagine you're selling clothes or you're selling something. You're in a new shop. You've got your own business, and someone comes in. Your price says it's £50 for this t-shirt, and you're having a normal day. Everyone's buying at £50, no problem. Then there's some other days whereby you've got few people coming in, not many, and some of them are requesting, can you sell it for 45? Please, can you sell it for 45? You know that you bought it for £20. So I don't mind taking 45 today. Nothing's going on. I always have a ballpark figure. And also, see this business that we're doing here. This is business. Because you're dealing with virtual stocks doesn't mean that you're not dealing with stocks. So if you are selling something which you bought for less, then that's the way I look at it. If I bought it for less, anything over that is a profit. I know other people, they've got rigid ways of doing it, but if you've done business in the past or if you've got education in business, you would see that business, whether it's a service or a product, it's the same thing. Buy for low and sell it for as much as you can. Sometimes people will negotiate and get it for less. That's all we just done there. I don't know what's going to happen, whether it's going to touch this low or whether it's going to go up first and then come back for this low. I don't know. But we're out of the market very quickly, very efficiently and happily. We've got our profit and that's all we need. That's how it works. When you're lucky. If not, it would just bounce back and then start meandering and messing you around and making you sweat and making you swear and getting crazy. So that's the way it works sometimes. I'm very happy with that trade. And I hope that you've understood how we've done it. In summary, we went in for a trade because we got a sell signal in this area here. And this is after the London Stock Exchange open, which was around here. This is where the London Stock Exchange opened, right? There was a signal just before it here, but I did not see that signal. I was not around to get that signal. But anyway, it doesn't matter because we got the next signal, which was here, and we took that. We put our mental stop just above this area, and then almost immediately it reversed on us, but it didn't go higher than our mental stop. We stayed in, and almost immediately again it reversed back to our favor, giving us another signal. So once we saw that, we thought this is brilliant. So, and we kept going, and we just sat down on it, and it just seemed to have just kept going down. And then this is our region. We had a hard stop in this area because we were targeting these guys on the left here. These guys on the left, this is the stop losses we were thinking that it was going for. So we stuck in, and we believe that this is where it's going for, this area, this low. However, as we always do, we don't go for specific numbers. We go for regions. So anything in this region, which I actually had that in my mind, but I didn't draw the box. But anything in this region is we'd be happy with. It went into that region. We took the money. That was it. That's the game. Simple. I believe it's going to go for this low, like we said. But it doesn't matter. We've profited and we're out of the game now. You see what we're talking about? Remember, we came out in this area here. The price has gone up from where we came out, reacted, and taken a buy all the way up here, right? And from here you can see that the people that were around in this area here, all their stops are gone. The people who had tight stops here, their stops are gone because there's a maybe 3 or 4 point spread. So these people have been taken out. Yes, it's coming back down into our area now, but all of those people have gone. All of the people that have tightened their stop, they've all gone. So that's why we had to come out. I believe we came out in the right position, because for an extra couple of points, it's just not worth it. Look at that. Blast right through our area. It's giving us the new low that we're expecting. And that's all. It's taking out these boys on the left. Exactly how we thought it would do. And that's it. We could have waited for this, but to be quite honest, why? We've already got our profit. Okay, we would have got maybe a few points more, but there's more risk to it as well. So it's good. It's good that it's kind of worked out as we expected it to work out. I didn't expect it to go all the way up here, but I kind of did. That's why we came out. Because it's going to come up and take people's stops. People that follow the stops down, and the people that have got their stop up in this area here. Because now this area is a significant stop loss area now, because the market moved down. So there's stops here and there's stops up here as well. So these boys, they've come out. The ones that had tight stops around here, they've come out, because this is there's a 3 to 4 spread on here, 3 to 4 point spread. So these boys have gone out. They've been taken out by the spread. So it's all good. We came out when we came out. We got our profits. We came in at the right time and come out at the right time. And that's that. There's still some money in the market, but we don't care. We've made our money. So until next time. Okay, guys. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.